Well, this is video number 10 in the 10-part series. And in this video, you guys, I wanted to talk about how to store your microgreens and your sprouts. Welcome back for another video to recalibrate with Raw Natty Nate, aka the Nice Cream King, coming to you live with this microgreen thing. If you guys haven't tuned into the previous videos, make sure to go check them out. It helps the channel out. Really appreciate all the love and support I get from you guys, truly. So you guys, let's get into this video talking about how to store your sprouts and your microgreens. Now, the way that we grow our microgreens is we're doing it on these coconut core pads. If you would like, you could check out my Instagram channel. I've got an IGTV and I've got a full series called the Grow Along series, where I show you every single step of the process of how I'm growing these microgreens and how I'm growing sprouts in our house, growing the microgreens in our office. So we're doing them hydroponically, and even if you were doing them with soil, you'd want to harvest those microgreens and you'd want to put a paper towel in the bottom of a Tupperware, and you can store those in the Tupperware and put them in the fridge. It's best to have some sort of a little vent in your Tupperware. So I've actually drilled holes in a couple of the lids of our Tupperware so they actually could breathe. When we were buying microgreens at the store and I'd want to have them out of the plastic bag, you can keep them in a plastic Ziploc bag, maybe a little paper towel in there. They'll hold for a few days, 3 to maybe 5 days at most. But the way that we grow them on these coconut cores is, and if you did it on burlap or like hemp or jute or some sort of, different grow medium, is you can actually just put that on a plate and put them right in the fridge. And they're still alive, and you can just harvest when you're ready to use them. But storing them in the fridge is a great place to store them. The sprouts the same. When the sprouts are done and they have completely filled my jar packed full 4 or 5 days after the germination process, I just put the jar in the fridge, and we pull the sprouts right out of the jar fresh when we want to use them, and they last for up to a week. I like to use them sooner than 5 days. So be sure to, give it a try, you guys. It's absolutely incredible, super fun, super simple, doesn't take long, and I know you guys will really get a lot of pleasure out of it. It might be a little bit of an acquired taste. Microgreens and sprouts definitely have a different taste than, say, fully mature greens, but just know that those benefits that you're getting is absolutely worth it. And of course, when I'm saying it's a different flavor, they don't taste bad, but when you're trying something new, if you haven't had microgreens before, they might be a little something where you're like, ooh, because they do have a pretty good flavor to them. So yeah, different things, it takes a little while to maybe develop the palate. But anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoy this video. This is the last video of the 10-part series, video number 10. Thanks for all of you guys who have tuned in and watched all these videos. I truly appreciate all of the help and in supporting the channel. For those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future uploads. Also the bell for notifications for new uploads that are coming. And if you like the video, hit that like button. And until the next video, you guys, love you.